everybody, it's time for another unboxing. This time it is once again SS Glass Art Studio and my good buddy here, Henry. So we're kind of between holidays, or I am anyway. I'm still working on a couple of last minute Christmas things, and so there's some holiday cutouts here for Christmas. But I also am eager to work on Valentine's. So there are some new Valentine's Waterjets in here and some other fun elements. Henry is starting to do Vitrigraph pulls, and so I've got some Vitrigraph here too. So let's see if I can pull this out. You know what, this may be a lot to unwrap. It's aventurine green. You all know I love aventurine green. I think it makes amazing just design elements, but also stems on floral pieces. And so here's some aventurine green Vitrigraph pulls. There's some, I don't want to unwrap this because I'm worried I'm gonna break it. But there's some curls in here. Can you see that? Can you see that curl? That's cool. These are fun. I love this stuff. So that's that one. Oh gosh, I'm gonna make a mess. Oh yeah, so this is Solar Flare Dichroic Vitrigraph. I can't wait to, I guess this one, I just gotta open it. All right, there we go. So this is beautiful oranges and reds, but there's dichroic in here, and so I realize this is not going to show for you on camera like it does for me in person, but it's real sparkly. I'm gonna have fun with this. That's gonna be cool. There's some, I've already got ideas going through my head on that one. So I'm gonna carefully put that to the side. And then more Vitrigraph here. This is glow in the dark. So Vitriglow cotton candy. I'm gonna send you a picture, or I'll post a picture here. Light pink striker and light aqua. It needs to strike when it's held at 12:25 for 2 hours, it says, and it's got glow in the dark in it. So here's a photo of what that looks like. And then finally, I also love the aventurine blue and dense white mixed together, and it's called Silent Night. Love, love, love. Awesome stuff. All right, the Waterjets. Shall we get to those? Let's see here. I've got a mix of Christmas and Valentine's. Let's just put this box off to the side. And I can kind of tell by the side what they are. I think that one's Christmas. I think that one's Christmas. I can tell what I have coming, so I'm trying to sort these by holiday, perhaps. We'll see if I don't know if I'm going to get them right. I think that one might have been Christmas. Yeah, let's just dive in and see what we get. Okay, so let's pull open this first one. This says, well, it's backwards for you, or it's backwards for me too. It says ho. Pull that off. Check that out, like kind of a ho ho ho. Like, isn't that a cool scripty font? We've got this awesome sleigh. Oh, and cardinals. I love cardinals. State flower of many states, including my home state of, or flower, bird, including my home state of Indiana. So I'm very excited for the cardinals. Love that. And see if I guessed right. Is this Christmas? It is. Trees. Really neat trees. Fun there. And let's see what we get here. More trees. Oh, and these are aventurine green, which love, love, love. I like those little guys too. Those are awesome. All right, I don't know. I peek. Okay, this is Christmas. Forgot about all the stuff I had coming. I'm enamored with Waterjets. I think they just level up my work so much. Okay, awesome snowflakes. Clever packaging there, Henry. Keep those snowflakes in order, and those really fine points. Those are very delicate, so well done. But look at those reindeer. Aren't those cool? for the sleigh that I opened. Okay, I think the rest of this would be Valentine's. Let's see. Oh, nope, nope, nope. More ho-hos and some angels. Those are cool. See, I forget everything I've got coming, and then I get excited and surprised as you do. So for Valentine stuff, lots of kind of traditional Valentine colors: cranberry, pink, light pink striker. Look at this. Some fuchsia. Okay, so there were bows. I forgot about my bows, and some smaller cardinals. And then you start to get into the Valentine's cutouts. Aren't those cool, the way those piece together? That's awesome. Oh, I can't wait. So many ideas. In fact, I've got a project that I've been waiting to stick into the kiln. It's kind of a last-minute Christmas project, and so some of this you're going to see go right into that. Look at these hearts. So awesome. So this is a striker. It looks purple, but it's going to fire as a striker. Really, really pretty hearts. Fun shapes. So there you go. That is my latest unboxing. Stay tuned, because I've got projects. Like I said, was waiting for some of this to come. I've got so many projects and videos coming. If you don't already follow me on Facebook, I'd encourage you to do that there as well. Go find me on Facebook. I'll drop a link here. I am now starting, not a lot, but I'm starting to post content and discussions on Facebook that you're not going to see here on YouTube. So if you don't want to miss out, I'd encourage you to follow me over there. Have fun, everybody. Keep fusing. Happy holidays. All those good things. Catch you later. Bye-bye.